Like you lost another one.
Who y'all want?
Oh, you bugging.
Who y'all see?
Oh, you bugging.
That's the case. Square head. You said blockhead. That's what you looking like. You looking like a let me see, pine cone head. You got pine cone. You got triangle head. You got pizza shaped head. Wait, what else? Let me see. What else? What else? What else? What's next? SpongeBob head looking. You said what? My hairline?
Yeah.
My hairline is just fine. I got waves with my hairline. What you mean?
I made a man so happy when I rode.
Y'all just gonna roast me like that, man?
Not roasted, but just like stay back.
Wow, that's crazy.
Are you married?
Hey, how old are y'all real quick?
23. Are you married?
23? No, I'm not married.
Why?
Why would I? Hey, ask one more time. Why would I get married right now? I'm 23 years old.
It was a big world, but we
That crazy, right? Huh?
That's a shame.
You said what?
That's such a shame, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, look, I'm not getting married till I'm like 27.
You got coronavirus, did you say? Wow.
Coronavirus?
Uh-huh.
The coronavirus scared of me.
Funny.
It's too scared of me.
Minister's gonna die from-
Hold on. I thought the coronavirus was coming up. I was about to spread it with y'all. My bad.
Yeah, that's disgusting. Yeah, I should go away now. You
My bad. Dang, y'all saw that, man. They came on there to roast me, man. Nope, we're gonna keep it moving. I'm getting pregnant, them boys. What the heck? Sarah, he's 24. Nope, we're gonna skip. 19 from St. Paul. St. Paul, what's good? Oh snap, what? Wait, what'd you say? What? I can't hear you. Man, what'd they say, man? I couldn't even hear them. 17 girl, 24-year-old boy. Nope, next. She's 20 from the United Kingdom. Damn. What's good with y'all, man?
Bro, you. What's up?
Y'all straight over there, wherever y'all from.
Hey, what's my name?
Hey, real quick, ask some time, real quick. I gotta ask a question.
What's up?
All right, so look, this from my YouTube channel. Look, you were supposed to rate me 1 through 10. What would you rate me? Like 1 to 5 or 6 or 7 or 9 or 10 or 200? You feel me? You said I don't break. Wow. Not even the dimple. Wow, that's crazy.
Not even the dimple. I'm gonna say like that.
A what? Don't worry. By the way, this ain't my hairline. That's just my waves. You feel me?
I'll say a 6.
A 6. Dang, she saw the hairline and she. Dang, that's crazy. That's crazy. I'ma cry. That's crazy.
It's okay, don't cry.
All right, let's see if we can get some more. Hey, how you doing? Oh snap, you blazing up. Hey, ask some time real quick. I got a question.
It's my part. Yeah.
Hey, you getting lit?
You. All I ask of you to keep it real.
You having fun over there? Hey, I got a question though.
Well, what's your question?
If you was supposed to rate me from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Boy, no.
Come on, man.
You cute.
I'm alright. What would you give me? Like an 8, a 9, a 10, a 25? Breaking scales out here.
You're handsome.
What's the?
Great. That's why you're childish.
That's childish. It's for my YouTube. Give me a number.
I don't know. What
Damn.
you give me?
Let me see. Put your face in And she got the blend in the mouth. Oh wait, hold on. She gotta be a 20. You feel me? She gotta be a 20. Ooh, with the curls. Ooh.
Stop.
Now you gonna rate me?
I think you're handsome.
Come on, man.
Handle me.
Come on. Basically, y'all, she's saying I break the scales. That's what she's saying. She said like I could be.
Feel like that?
But hey, I'm gonna talk to you later though.
Bye.
Alright, bye. Alright, let's keep it moving, y'all. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. 21, it's a dude, so no, we ain't doing that. 18, accept.
What's up?
Hello, how are you? Are you good? Are you having a good day?
Yes.
I'm glad to hear it. I'm just playing. How are you guys doing? Oh, let's keep it moving. All right, I think we do one more and then we're done for the day. 16, nope. 18 and up over here. 18 and up. 20 from Charlotte. Nope. Sacramento, what's good?
What's good with you? I like your shirt. How you doing?
I like your hair, it's nice. Hey, add some time real quick.
What's up? What's up?
What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Hey, what kind of what brand is that? You over here rocking brands? I see you.
It's Fila.
Oh,
It's old school Fila.
it don't matter. Feel I still lit.
Huh? I know. I was like, I love thrift shopping.
Yes, ma'am. So real quick, look, it's from my YouTube. If you were to rate me 1 through 10, what would you rate me? I got a dimple, by the way. You said?
I give you like an 8.
An 8?
I don't know. Yeah, I give you an 8.
Thank
Nice
you.
little smile you see put together. Got your little do-rag on.
You
Gotta
feel
keep
me?
it where you need to
You
be.
feel me? With the 540s. Hey, add me as a friend. I got you.
Got you. I got you. For sure. For sure.
All right, peace.
Take care.
You feel me? One more. I'm liking all this love I'm getting. 26.
Monkey.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm pretty good. I like your hair. It's all slick and nice. That's nice.
Thanks.
Yes, ma'am. Where am I from? I'm from down south. Dang. She didn't even add time. I was trying to tell her to add some time. He's 24 now. Oh, yeah, one more. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
You got my uncle.
I look like an uncle.
My uncle's cute.
How? Oh, okay. Thank you. At least you think I'm cute. Hey, wait. Wait, you think your uncle cute? Wait. That's the video. I hope y'all enjoyed that. That's some funny business, man. That last one threw me for a whole loop. You get what I'm saying? But anyway, man, I hope y'all like the video. I hope y'all rate, comment, subscribe as always, you know, so we can have some more bangers. You get what I'm saying? Just, hey, and look, put in my messages what you guys would like to see, like what type of videos you guys would actually, you know, want to see out there. So anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna keep it moving. I'm not gonna drag y'all for too much longer. And without further ado, peace and have a nice day.